Tezvara vaChivhayo Vobirwa mari yese yakabviswa nechigananda azvipere mushe pana pobuda pachinzi aiwa $75,000 yese aiwa yakashandiswa naChivhayo werwa pasi not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa update changopinda mudanyugwa muchinzi armed robbers stormed the Marondera farm of businessman Yukino Chivhayo's in-laws on Tuesday, making off with a staggering $75,000 in cash. The stolen amount is believed to be part of the lobola Chivhayo recently paid for his wife, Lulu Muteke. Authorities are yet to release further details on the incident, but sources indicated that the assailants meticulously planned the heist, targeting the high-profile family. The stolen money was reportedly part of the extravagant lobola ceremony that Chivhayo, known for his flamboyant lifestyle, hosted for his bride. The businessman, famous for his ostentatious displays of wealth, spared no expense in securing Muteke's hand in marriage. His lobola proceedings made headlines after he allegedly paid a record-breaking amount, including luxurious gifts, high-end vehicles, and large sums of cash. Held in grand style, the ceremony drew the who's who of Zimbabwe's elite, with the socialist business moguls and even government officials in attendance. Ndomasho warubura panapa chona kunzi aiwa panapa on Tuesday €75,000 pasi panapa akustomozikamwa kuti aiwa vanhu vatombova mari iye vari suspect ndiani, but so far zviruzikamwa ende kuti armed robbers akasvika akapasa akatora $75,000 vakarwa nayo pasi vakaenda. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, mira comment section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.